this is José Manuel Diaz from Spotahome.com in Valencia, and today I'm going to show you an apartment in Juan de Garay Street in Patraix neighborhood, an apartment located in a residential neighborhood with all the services that you need for your life in Valencia. And the apartment is so close to the Peset Hospital and La Fe Hospital and the General Hospital. It's a great place for nurses or doctors. And well, the apartment it's very well connected with the rest of the city by metro. You have the metro station of Patraix in 5 minutes walking. That brings you to the center, to the beach, to the airport. Well, you can go everywhere by that metro, and it's also very well connected by bus. The apartment is a first floor without elevator, has 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, and I'm gonna show you. And here is the entrance door, and you go direct to the living and kitchen area. Over there is the kitchen and dining, and here the living. We're gonna start in the living. In the living you got a 3 people sofa. There is a coffee table, the Wi-Fi is there. You have an AC unit that works with coins, a flat TV, a shelf, and you got here a glass door for the balcony, where you got street views. Okay. You have to close the doors this way. Okay. So, in the dining and kitchen area, you got a glass table with 4 chairs, and over there you got all the appliances of the kitchen, microwaves, electrical stove, the sink. This is the fridge. There you have more kitchen stuff with pans, a pot, a toaster, kettle, a coffee machine there. Here are plates and glasses, mugs. There is the cleaning stuff, and here the natural gas water heating system and more cleaning stuff. Okay, and now we go to the corridor, and the first door on my right is the bedroom number 1. This bedroom has a single bed, a bedside table with a lamp, an interior views window, and a built-in wardrobe where you got a rack for dry your clothes inside the house, and a slide door, and the bedroom number 2. This bedroom has a double bed, 2 bedside tables with lamps. Here a built-in wardrobe, a window with interior views, a chair, and a slide door. And this is the bathroom. And in the bathroom you got here sink, storage under the sink, a mirror, toilet, and a shower. Okay, so that's all. I hope you enjoyed. Was José Manuel Diaz from Spotahome.com in Valencia. Adiós.